We're shaking and wiggling, let's get in a groove. Wave your hands, move your feet, are you ready to move?
Hey everybody, are you ready to go to the zoo? What if you could invent your own zoo? What kind of crazy things we'd see? Well, I don't know if you've heard, but old MacDonald has a zoo now. That's right, old MacDonald sold the farm and bought a zoo. And I have a song about it. Let's get to it.
Old MacDonald had a zoo, E-I-E-I-O. And in that zoo he had a monkey, E-I-E-I-O. With a jump, jump here and a jump, jump there. Here a jump, there a jump, everywhere a jump, jump. Old MacDonald had a zoo, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a zoo, E-I-E-I-O. In that zoo he had a bird, E-I-E-I-O. With a flap, flap here and a flap, flap there. Here a flap, there a flap, everywhere a flap, flap. Old MacDonald had a zoo, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a zoo, E-I-E-I-O. And in that zoo he had an elephant, E-I-E-I-O. With a stomp, stomp here and a stomp, stomp there. Here a stomp, there a stomp, everywhere a stomp, stomp. Old MacDonald had a zoo, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a zoo, E-I-E-I-O. And in that zoo he had a kangaroo, E-I-E-I-O. With a hop, hop here and a hop, hop there. Here a hop, there a hop, everywhere a hop, hop. Old MacDonald had a zoo, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a zoo, E-I-E-I-O. And in that zoo he had a snake, E-I-E-I-O. With a wiggle, wiggle here and a wiggle, wiggle there. Here a wiggle, there a wiggle, everywhere a wiggle, wiggle. Old MacDonald had a zoo, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a zoo, E-I-E-I-O.
Now that we've got our wiggles out, we're ready for our story.
A moose that says moo. Written by Jennifer Hamburg. Pictures by Sue Truesdell. If I were allowed to invent my own zoo, the first thing I'd have is a moose that said moo. Next would come sharks that would read book after book. An ox would serve eggs as a shark oughter cook. The bears would drive cars. The skunks would jump rope. The sheep would take baths full of bubbles and soap. The zebra would put on a dress and a cape, wear really tall shoes, and then dance with an ape. The tigers would swing among leafy green trees and lazily lounge in the warm summer breeze. And then they would bake macaroni and cheese and say, "Pardon me, but I think I might sneeze." And how would the animals celebrate night? With PJs and milk and a zoo pillow fight. Feathers would flit, feathers would float, feathers would wake up a sound asleep goat. The goat would get mad and throw handfuls of dough, interrupting a tap dancing, singing pig show. The pigs, quite surprised at this turn of events, would scamper and squeal and knock over a fence. The fence would crash into an all-dug jazz band, and this is where things would get way out of hand. The goose would spill juice. The snakes would all yelp. The cheetah would pick up the phone and say, "Help!" Otters would oink. Chipmunks would chirp. Rabbits would ribbit and hiccup and burp. The turtle would trip and land in a pie while trying to calm a hysterical fly. Fish would grab crayons and draw squiggly lines. Groundhogs would rally and wave protest signs. Looking around, I would quickly assess. This zoo that I grew was a zoorific mess. So poof, I'd take back the juice from the goose, the dough from the goat, and the moo from the moose. And knowing that everything needed to change, I'd fix all the other things silly and strange. And then I'd vow never to do that again. Until I considered a juggling hen. The end.
Do you have room in your wiggle box for one more song? All right, here we go.
An elephant walks like this and that. He's terribly big and he's terribly fat. He has no fingers, he has no toes. But goodness gracious, what a nose!
Thanks for watching. See you next time.